So you might be in a situation where your control center inside of iOS 18 is missing features. It's missing let's say toggles. It's missing pages. It's missing so many things, and I'll show you how to get all those things back. Now, first of all, if you went into your control center and let's say you want to bring in features, you want to bring in toggles, you want to bring in widgets or whatever, all you have to do is click on the plus button that's in the top left corner. So in the top left corner, there's this little plus button right here. All you want to do is go ahead and tap on it. When you do that, this page is going to come up. Now, if you see this, you're perfectly fine. This is exactly where you want to be. So at the very bottom, there's a little option that says add a control. So what you're going to want to do is you want to tap on add a control, that little button that's right there, and then all these toggles are basically going to come up. So now you'll basically have the opportunity to go and change whatever you want to and kind of place whatever you want to on your main page. So what I can do here is I can go on, let's say I wanted this camera toggle right there, right? Let's say I deleted it, but I want it back. I can go and tap on this camera toggle and I can go and bring it back right there. Not only that, but I can also move it around if I want to. I can hold it down. I can place it wherever I want, as you can see. So that's another option you have. And it's actually a very, very nice intuitive thing that you basically have the opportunity of doing. Now it's still very buggy, as you can see, but it pretty much does work. If you want to delete these toggles again, you can just click on the minus button. But if you want to bring it back, add a control and find those toggles. And that's really all you're going to have to do. It really is that basic. So now whenever you're ready, you can just go and hop out of here again, just like so. You can just swipe up and then you're basically good to go. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.